It's my privilege, honestly. I appreciate it.
But I know a lot of y'all fell in love with a song me and him did. It was the first song that me and him pretty much released on an album. We made it a single. It was called Country Folks Anthem. It went viral, millions of views on YouTube. How many of y'all just want to see it live right now? You gotta get it loud.
How many of y'all living that simple life 365 down here in Joe?
Here we go. Living the simple life 365. A jack up truck and upside tight. A cold blood light that make my fire good. Drinking something and tell me life. How many of y'all live that country folk anthem? You know what? We call this whole ordeal this weekend pretty much the Cinco de Mayo, the Sounds of the Woods tour. And it was only the reason I called it because I was like, man, you know what? My new album, 35, was out. And me and Charlie did a song on it, and we called it The Sounds of the Woods. So, how many of y'all want to see this for the very first time in history performed live?
Backstage.
We're going to get them exclusives.
We're backstage, motherfucker.
Let's give them the sound of the woods. Come on, Georgia, let me hear you scream one time. That's the sound of the woods.
Yeah.
Where the boys get drunk and the ladies get wild. With the brush fire pop and the minutes get loud. That's the sound of the woods. That's the sound of the woods. I got my middle finger up for the haters and what.
best seat to have, Kevin. Backstage.
We make things happen. Another joke, me and Charlie, you know, me and Absolute Graphics, Mr. Steve Harmon, y'all might know him, he's the owner of it, Miss Lisa.